this is the Kooks and welcome back to a video. Today this is me playing. Nothing, I'm doing a vlog. But I'm doing a vlog. I'm doing a vlog. I'm doing a vlog. Yeah, so I'm doing a vlog. Yeah, doing a vlog. I'm doing a vlog on and today I'll be watching a program called I'll be watching that program, so yeah. And I met a man, and this is what his name is. And I met another person called what's his name? Forgot what his name is. His name. Wait, what's his name? What's he called? Oh, I met him. He's called the.
It's me, Mario.
I met that guy there as well, and I saw a guy who could think he could do this.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch.
Shut up. You're not even meant to be here.
Every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away.
And later, I might watch some Looney Tunes. Oh no, it's already on now. And today, and here's something random, but something random.
I love you. Do you love me?
No, I don't love you. And I like
turtles.
You might not hit that. I like turtles. And hopefully I can get over
It's over 9,000.
subscribers. And I was hoping. And I heard that. Oh no! I've got the police on me. Right, go away, please. Go away. And I heard this guy just laugh. And a guy scared me, and he said,
Surprise, motherfucker.
that's what he said, he scared me. And he sung. And some people did this.
Oh my God! They killed Kitty! You bastard!
Hey, never seen. And then this guy was really annoying, and he just trolled me, and then he sung this song. Yeah, like I was annoying. And yeah, let me find it.
I got that one.
Shut up, Zach.
Shut up.
And soon it is. And this guy said, and I said before I want to go out somewhere. I said before I went out somewhere. I said.
But first, let me take a selfie.
And this guy said.
Greetings and
random guy just said.
I like trains.
Then this one random person just said to me. Who the hell would say that to me? Who would say that to me? That guy just said that to me. And I went like that. And right now I am. So look, I'm playing GTA. I'm playing GTA because I'm. And then I just heard this random thing and it scared me. I think it was like in some pop star. Oh, it's Ghostbusters. I'm sorry, all of you. I'm sorry. And to all of you who liked me. What the hell is this? Advertisement. That was funny. And then this random little kid said to me,
I'm my mommy.
I'm a man. I am a man. Am I? What the hell? I'm not. What? Who the hell would say?
I'm my mommy.
Who would say that to me? I'm a man. Jesus Christ. Sorry about that, everyone. I just had a little bit of quite bad wind, you see.
I'm watching Rogue Runner.
Zach, you're really annoying. Right.
Miss me.
Right, Zach. You were a good man.
Shoot me then.
Yeah, you want to shoot you?
Miss me.
Right, he's dead.
No.
Right, and then I sung. And then I went to the circus.
Afro circus, Afro. Poke it up, Afro.
Since he's coming, I am not. I'm not. I'm not anymore. Oh, that was good. Right. And then this meanie man said to my, then he said, he said that to my channel. And then I just heard this random sound. That cheered me up. Then I decided to play some FIFA, but the first thing I heard out of FIFA was
EA Sports. It's in the game.
First thing I heard of FIFA. There's thing. And then tomorrow I have to sing.
Happy birthday
To you.
And then I wanted to believe that I can.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it
Shut up. Right. I'm going to get a drink.
banana bus.
Shut up, Zach. And then I decided that I wanted to do something. And then I met someone. I didn't meet, but I met someone. But then I got in. Then I got onto the.
Banana bush.
I got in there. I got in the banana. I got in there. I got in there. I got in there. And then I did the.
Welcome, punch.
And then there was this guy I needed to get, and I said.
Gotcha, bitch.
And then the guy who was next to me said.
Finish him.
And then I was like.
Hey, what happened?
And
I
then.
made that.
And then.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
And then I met this guy called.
Kobe.
Then I decided to go and have a.
Pancake.
What's up, lad?
Right. And then I went.
Ta-da.
And then.
2 hours later.
And then I went to Butlins and I heard the. And then the alarm went off and it went.
Uh-oh, retard alert.
And then I went.
When the fuck was that?
Shut up. And then I went.
When the fuck was that?
And then this other guy went.
Hey, what happened?
And then this guy said.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
And then I heard this funny tune. Yeah, I heard that.
Bullseye.
That was random. Okay. And then this guy went.
Denied.
And then I went.
Get over here.
That guy said that. And then I went.
Gotcha, bitch.
I missed. And then that guy
Kobe.
came back and said, and then he wanted a.
Pancake.
And then I said.
I don't think so.
And then he went.
That's nasty.
And I went.
Ta-da.
And then he went.
Surprise, motherfucker.
And then I died. Zach, stop it. Oh, well done, Zach. That was your fault.
But look what I got.
And then that
Kobe.
kid went.
Gay.
Kian, you're gay.
And then I went.
I met this guy called.
And then I heard. Then I heard these crickets.
Colben.
And then this guy said to me.
Oh, you suck.
And then this is what I did to him. Right in his mouth. And then he died. So, yeah. He died. And the holy light picked him up. The holy light. And then I went,
What the fuck was that?
and then
2 hours later.
then
Retard alert.
that went off again. Yeah, and that was my day. So yeah, everybody, that was my day. And yeah, hope you all enjoyed the video. That was me, like, acting like a day, parodies, the song, and like funny sounds. So I hope you all enjoyed that video, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.
The next video now. Like and subscribe.